Yo, what's going on? It's your main man, Rick the Dawn, and you know what it is. It's another Temu, how you say it? Temu haul? Anyway, I copped 4 items off the website, and I want to share with you so you can see just how good these products look in real time. So, all right, these are the first items I would like to show. Here's what I thought I was getting. And here's what I actually got, all right? Haven't opened these yet, and wow. I'll be the first one to say I'm thoroughly impressed. These actually look pretty good. Smell brand new out the box, out the bag. I mean, what you think? Yeah, what you think? These fire, you know? And a little bit of space for customization. Like if you got your own clothing line or whatever, you can throw something back there if you know how to thread or, you know, I don't know, man. It's a lot of opportunities here. But real talk, these look good. I want to give these a thumbs up. Next is some gym shoes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna feel these, you know, but here's what I thought I was getting. Okay, all right. I'm gonna be honest with you. In real time, these look legitimate. Yeah, I'm digging these. I mean, I think if I'm rocking these in public, I'm gonna get a couple look downs. I mean, obviously the branding is a little off-putting, but at the same time, I mean, if you're somebody who doesn't live by brands, you don't have to have a certain logo on your body to validate you. If you don't need that, then, man, you can't get much better than this right here. I'm going to give these a thumbs up. All right. In the same vein as the last pair, more gym shoes. Here's what I thought I was getting. And here's what I actually got. Oh, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I really like these, man. These is fly right here. I definitely picked the right stuff, man. You know, these got a certain look to them. They need to be worn a couple times because of the fabric. Looks like it may have been a little bent up in shipping, but, you know, put these on your foot for a good week or so, and then all that should probably cease. But there you go, man. This is probably what it's going to look like on foot. Man, solid. Another thumbs up, man. Temu is... They applying pressure to Amazon. I'm gonna keep it simple like that. My next item was a coat. You know, I usually don't buy coats online because you know can't really tell how they're gonna fit. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I really like the coat, especially when paired with these. So we'll see what happens. But this is what I thought I was gonna get, and this is what I actually got. Fresh out the bag. Okay. So I like the material. Will it keep you warm? I'm gonna go yes. It looks like there's some kind of fleece on the inside, some nice fleece material, and the fur doesn't feel, you know, overwhelmingly cheap. I mean, the coat didn't cost too much. This is a nice little jacket right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not sure. I'm a little on the fence in terms of warmth. Will it keep you warm in some really, really freezing temperatures? I don't know about that. It does have somewhat of a spring feel to it, like almost like a nice fall or spring jacket, more so than a winter. So I think you have to make your own decision on that. But in terms of the look and the size, another thumbs up for me. All right, so that's all I got for you. I feel like a winner right now. These items were all very, very reasonably priced. And I do mean reasonably priced. But just based on the products that I'm seeing and I'm getting, I'm becoming a fan. Can I just be real with you? But anyway, thank you for watching. It's your man, Rick the Dawn. Throw a like on the video if you enjoyed this, and I'll holler at you in the next. Peace.